Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing about corporate taxation. It is one of the most essential responsibility of any registered business here in the Philippines. Whether you're part of a finance team or a business owner, understanding how corporate taxes works ensures proper compliance, avoid penalties, and support strategic decision making. What is corporate taxation? Corporate taxation refers to the tax imposed on a corporation's net taxable income. It is the amount a company pays to the government based on its profits after deducting allowable business expenses. These taxes are collected with the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. Under the CREATE law, corporate tax rates have been reduced. 25% for the most domestic and resident foreign corporations, and 20% for domestic corporations with net taxable income not exceeding 5 million and total assets not exceeding 100 million excluding land. This reform aims to help businesses recover and grow after the pandemic. Corporations are also subject to the minimum corporate income tax. It is a 2% tax on gross income applied when the company reports little or no net income for a certain period, usually after the 4th year of the operations. In addition to income tax, corporations may also be liable for value-added tax or VAT. It is 12% on sales of goods, properties, and services. Percentage tax for non-VAT registered businesses. Withholding taxes on payments to employees, suppliers, and contractors. Documentary stamp tax or DST on certain legal documents and transactions, and excise tax on specific products like alcohol, tobacco, and petroleum. To stay compliant, corporations must file the following BIR forms. First is 1702Q for quarterly income tax return. Next is 1702RT or 1702MX for annual income tax return. Next is 2550M and 2550Q for monthly or quarterly VAT, and 1601C and 1601E for withholding taxes. Filing may be done through EBIR forms or EFTS depending on the taxpayer classifications. Some of the common issues businesses face includes the following. First is late filing or payment of returns. Next is underreporting of income over statement of expenses. Next is failure to withhold or remit taxes properly, and non-compliance with documentation or record-keeping rules. Avoiding this can protect your business from penalties, interest, or even audits. To summarize, corporate taxation is not just a legal requirement. It is a key part of financial responsibility. Being informed about tax rules, rates, and deadlines can help businesses grow while avoiding costly compliance issues. Thank you for attention and I'm happy to answer any questions.